Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Museum Collection, box number 2. First one had a nice Duke Snider, triple bat autograph in it. We got a quad of some closers. What else do we get in there? An on-card Ogando and a jumbo bat of Joey Bell. Good luck. Here we go. We got Jacoby Ellsbury, numbered to 299 for the Boston Red Sox. Base. Lou Gehrig, numbered to 99 for the Yankees. And this is the autograph. So I don't know who it is, but let's go like this. Oh, I know who it is now. Brandon Belt for the Giants, numbered to 399. Archival auto. Brandon Belt. Whoops. Just dropped your dude right there. Brandon Belt, Giants. Okay. Colby Cards is on the board. First Giant. Steve Carlton for the Phillies. Numbered to 199. Mo Rivera Canvas Collection for the Yankees. Good luck. Goes like this. We got Jameel Weeks for the Athletics. Jersey and 3-color patch auto, numbered to 25. So, 2 boxes, we got 2 gold relic autos, numbered to 25. True 17's got the A's. Congratulations, True 17. Nice. Thanks. 2 relics left. Maybe we'll get some kind of crazy relic. Maybe a patch. We're really lucky. A really nice one. Elvis Andrews to 299 for the Rangers. This is the first one of the night, Coke dealer. First one of the night. Bang, boom, oops. Got a sneak peek at the next card. I know it's a jumbo bat. Good luck. Who is it of? I don't know. Big ass bat of Jason Hayward for the Braves. This is his 8th home run last night. I was watching on SportsCenter. Actually had 2 bombs last night, dead center. Jack Nasty. For the Braves, Atlanta, got a couple hits. Rutgers fan. Let's send with the Braves. Last pack. Where's my dummy card? Adrian Gonzalez, the 299 Boston Red Sox. Bang, boom, and Mark Tejero, we got a Yankee. Does it have a patch? No patch. Quad jersey. But for the Yankees, Mark Tejero, numbered to 99. There you go. Norland, numbered to 99. That is box 2 Museum. Nice.